In this video, I'll be breaking down some boxing sparring I did with my friend Landon. In this first sequence, I intentionally overextend myself in order to get an attack reaction out of Landon. Landon tries to left hook and I try to counter. Next, Landon uses something called a stiff arm, which makes it very hard to see and also opens my guard to punches. He uses this to set up a body shot. In this sequence, I start flailing around with my left hand in order to draw attention to it. Then I try landing a right cross. In this sequence, Landon stomps the ground very hard in order to get a reaction out of me. This is called a feint. I intentionally overextend myself again in order to draw out a reaction from Landon. This time, when he tries to jab me, I feint across. About halfway through the round, I start to notice that Landon always counters my jab with his jab. So, I feint a jab to draw out a counter, and I go to the body with my right hand. This way, I get to land a big shot and Landon doesn't land his jab. A lot like the previous sequence where I was flailing around my left hand, this time I start flailing around my right arm. This draws attention to my right hand and makes it very easy for me to land my jab. In this sequence, I overextend myself to draw out a counter, and when Landon tries to jab me, I counter with a cross. In this sequence, I switch from an orthodox stance or conventional stance to a southpaw stance, so we can be foot to foot. Now, foot positioning is key, so I take an outside step to line up my left hand. Again in this sequence, I take an outside step in order to land my left cross. The round starts to come to an end, and I've noticed that Landon has always started his combinations with a jab. So, I slip to the inside, and I counter with a cross and left hook. Big thanks to Landon for the boxing rounds.